In a world of AI and smartphones, doom scrolling and overstimulating entertainment, meetings and deadlines, and a general feeling of being lost in our world, we are at risk of losing our creativity and our humanity. Humans throughout history have wanted to capture themselves, their lives, and their experiences with art, whether that be with song, or prose, or poetry, or films, or drawings, or paintings, or any other kind of art form. For me, the purest art form that captures humanity, emotion, and the human condition is photography. Photography allows us to connect with people from not just yesterday, but also from 100 years ago. It allows us to connect with strangers, as well as family members no longer with us. It enables us to feel human in a world of inhumanity. Regardless of your preferred subject matter or the area of photography that you enjoy, street photography, landscape photography, portraits, pets, architecture, they all tell a story of 1,000 words that are unique to the person that took the photograph and those that view them. In 2025, AI platforms such as ChatGPT and Midjourney are giving individuals the ability to create images to express themselves, their businesses, and their ideas. However, these platforms don't know the nuance to live in, the feeling of connecting with flesh and blood. They cannot, as of yet, replicate the intimacy of moments between people, the empathy we feel, the feeling of being part of a community. And with that said, that's why I'm optimistic about art forms, specifically photography, in the world of changing technologies and the AI revolution, because there will always be that desire for a deep connection with the people who share the planet with us. The desire to share moments with our loved ones, the desire to document how a moment makes us feel, and a desire to explore the world with a creative eye. That is something that technology or an individual cannot replace or take away. When using our creativity and expressing ourselves with art forms such as photography, not only are we fulfilling a need that exists within us all, but we are also leaving a stamp of our time on this planet for those who come afterwards. And that is why I think photography still matters, and why it will continue to matter for many hundred years to come.